In this tutorial, we will see the macro for if else. So, I'm writing a program to accept employee name and employee salary if salary is greater than 5 lakhs, then display as high cost resource, else low cost resource. This is my condition. So where I will write the program, go to Alt and F11 where the VB application environment opens. Then in the module 1 we will write our coding. So the very first thing is sub. So I'm giving example 2. Then here my condition. I have to give the declaration. Employee name is equals to input box, then open bracket and double quotes, enter employee name, then employee salary is equals to input box, bracket open, double quote, enter employee salary. Now I have done with declaration. Still I have conditions. What are the conditions? If employee salary is greater than, if employee salary is greater than 5 lakh. Hi friends, I feel honored for watching my videos and encouraging me to do more and more videos. For viewers who haven't subscribed the channel, I request you to kindly subscribe the channel and like the videos as more and more videos are uploaded on daily basis. Then show me the message as message box, double quote, high cost resource, else message box, low cost resource. Friends, remember we have started with sub and automatically it's ending with end sub. Likewise, we have started with if, and once we have done, it should also end with end if. I am now done with my coding. Let's see how to execute. Enter employee name Raghav, and I'm giving a salary of 5 lakh 1 rupee. It's showing as high cost resource. Now I will execute Raghav 1 rupee less to 5 lakhs. So it will be 4,99,999. It's showing as low cost resource. Now let's see what happens if we exactly key in 5 lakhs. That is employee name as Raghav, then 5 lakhs. It's showing as low cost resource. That means I'm saying my coding that if the salary is greater than 5 lakhs, I'm not using the term greater than or equal to. I'm using only greater than. That is the reason it is showing as low cost resource even I am keying 5 lakhs. Hope you like the video, friends.